Today at ENEA International, we have the pleasure of welcoming Mr. Nicola Colonna, a researcher at ENEA in the biotechnology division. I'd like to talk about energy with you and about the optimization of energy use in agriculture. The topic of energy has become central. We're all talking about increasing energy prices, which has an impact on the agricultural world and on the costs borne by farmers. So there's an increased need to save energy. Of course, this debate has to be set in the framework of the EU requirements and climate policies aimed at decarbonizing the food chain. This can be done starting from agriculture, and one of the fundamental factors, which is energy consumption by agricultural machines, which are essential on the one hand, while on the other, thanks to the innovations available to us nowadays, can contribute to reducing energy consumption in agriculture. You mentioned energy saving. So we're now experiencing an increase in prices of raw materials. How can that problem be tackled? Well, of course, on the one hand, we need to consider the aging process of the agricultural machinery that are operating in this country. So new types of machines that are more efficient can certainly give a contribution in this direction. Many farmers are increasingly interested in conservative farming. In fact, if on the other that was originally meant to protect the land, on the other it can also contribute to considerably reduce fuel consumption. In experimental tests, reduced consumption was obtained by 40 to 50% by using innovative machines that can actually perform several operations during a single pass, thereby reducing fuel costs for farmers. In your opinion, energy use optimization, when can that become a reality? How can we reach a considerable reduction in energy consumption? So how can we optimize agriculture in energy terms? We're on the right way. Italy and Europe at large has set very ambitious goals to 2030 and even until 2050. We need to do a lot of work in this area. We are pursuing a transformation in the agricultural sector and in other sectors as well. Incentives will make it possible to accelerate the process. In the next few years, we'll need to develop a system to calculate the carbon credits generated by these savings. And when farmers see that this credit can be monetized somehow, they will be more inclined to invest on innovation. And I think this is extremely important, developing a credit system in agriculture that can really work and incentivize farmers. So do you think that in the next 8 to 10 years we should see some change, even in the next 2 to 3 years some results should be seen? Well, it's not easy to make forecasts, but this is a path our country needs to go. According to the Fit for 45 is going to set goals for 2030, 9 years from now. So we need to be fast. So hopefully this journey is fast and efficient in order to reduce energy consumption by agriculture while streamlining farming practices. Thank you very much for joining us and giving us such interesting information, and enjoy the show.